Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V21 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the security. Now let's scroll down and find SIM card lock and tap on change SIM pin. As you can see right now we have to enter our current SIM pin, so let me do it. Tap on OK, and right now we can enter the new one, so let me enter it, tap on OK and retype it in order to confirm. And as you can see here, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that if you will restart your device, then it will require the new pin you just set. So actually this is it. This is how to change the SIM pin in your Vivo V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.